Hello guys and welcome. This is the first video on my brand new channel, which is super exciting. It's my msfs or Microsoft Flight Simulator channel. If you don't know, msfs stands for Microsoft Flight. God damn it. msfs stands for Microsoft Flight Simulator. Anyway, we're going to be checking out the fly-by-wire A380. I am super hyped for this. I've been waiting for it for a while, and they released a little while ago. Actually, they released it on Christmas, so I'm a bit late. Anyway, so they have an A380. You can't fly it. Here, let's take off. Yeah, here I am in my F-35. I've had this running for a while. So on this channel, I'm going to do all msfs, all of it. It's going to be Microsoft Flight Simulator, which is my favorite game. After Minecraft, of course, after Minecraft. What do you think? Oh, where's the hover button? Boop. Oh, I went way too far. Okay, so we've stopped. Now, let's go into spectator mode. It's actually technically called drone camera, and here it is, the fly-by-wire A380. It's so pretty, as you can see with the Santa. Oh, whoopsies! The Santa hat. It actually came out technically on Christmas. Whoops! But here it is. I know I'm a bit late, but it's so cool. I can't wait for the actual one, flyable one, to come out. That will definitely be a video. We'll have multiple videos. So let's explore around this hangar. So right here, it looks like we got like the cockpit that we're working on. Again, nothing's finished. And look, looks like over here we have a wing section. That's not an A380 wing though, is it? Yeah, that was a curved tip, so that's something else. And then down here, we go down a little bit. We sit in this chair. These screens, what do they say? Fly-by-wire A380 release date. Like, do they all say this? I think they all say that. They all say it. Why do they only have some ones, like, are they different? No, they're the same. That's odd. Anyway, let's explore more of this beautiful A380. Ooh, what's that say? Welcome to, oopsies. So, to our hangar. These static models do not represent the final product. A closer look at the levels, bevels, and edges at the exterior. The cockpit has some work still to be done. As you will see, the models shown will got the significant work is team. Done. Enjoy fly-by-wire team. That's cool. Oh, this says fly-by-wire on the bottom. We got the gear, we got the inside, which is empty. We got the beautiful wings with the beautiful wing sweep. The signature move of it, the signature of the A380. You got the back, you got the 2 stories, and this is free. If you have Microsoft Flight Simulator, this is like a must-have. You need this. A380X. Okay, this is super cool. I just can't re-emphasize how cool this is. You even got the cockpit. The cockpit's correct. It's in the center. It's in the center of the nose. The nose is a bit pointier. Actually, no, that's right. And then there's something over here. What is this? So you got other stuff around here. So this is like the fly-by-wire headquarters or something. What the heck is this? Fly-by-wire headquarters. I don't know what this is. And then they got this like airfield with just a few like, little planes, some vehicles. There's a lot of detail in this. This is really nice. The octagon wheels. A must-have. Oh, there's a prison, so it's fun. Oh, over here you got some people and they're moving. Oh yeah, they move. They're so weird. Where they're going? Got another thing. Another little plane. Another random little plane. Wait a minute. Why is there an F-35 here? What? Oh, this is that. Yeah, so anyway, this is the F-35. I'm flying. I think I'll make an F-35 video. Alright, so this is my little pilot. You can customize him. I really think the F-35 is so cool, though. Alright. Anyway, that will be all for this video. Well. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Okay, so let's do a flyover for the last scene of this video. Let's do a flyover of the entire field. What the? Casually pulling 3 Gs. Average day. So you have that thing. I don't know what that is. I might explore it later. I'll explore it after the video, so I might cut something in. So you got the hangar, the road connecting to it, and then their little thing. Well, that's super cool. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.